In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. This guide will help you integrate these two powerful tools seamlessly, enhancing your productivity by keeping your tasks and schedule all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have your Microsoft To Do task showing up in your Google Calendar. To begin, we'll utilize an integration with Outlook, as Microsoft To Do is closely linked with Outlook tasks. First things first, you need to sign into your Outlook account. If you haven't done so yet, navigate to Outlook.com on your web browser where you can log in using your Microsoft credentials. Once you've signed in, it's important to confirm that your Microsoft To Do tasks are visible in Outlook tasks. This usually happens automatically, but it's a good idea to check to ensure everything is syncing properly. Now we need to dig into the settings within Outlook. Click on the gear icon to access settings and then select View All Outlook Settings. From there, navigate to the Calendar section and click on Shared Calendars. In this section, you will see an option called Publish a Calendar. Here, you're going to choose the calendar that contains your to-do tasks. After selecting your calendar, the next step is to obtain the ICS link. This is a crucial link that will establish the connection between Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar. Make sure to copy this link to your clipboard. Now let's switch over to Google Calendar. Head to your Google Calendar by opening the application or going to calendar.google.com. Once there, go to Settings, which you can find by clicking the gear icon. In the Settings menu, find the option to Add Calendar and choose From URL. In the URL field, you'll paste the ICS link you just copied from Outlook and proceed by clicking on Add Calendar. With this, your Microsoft To Do tasks, which you linked via Outlook, will start appearing in your Google Calendar. It's important to note that this integration is a one-way sync, meaning any changes you make to your tasks in Google Calendar won't reflect back in Microsoft To Do. So keep this in mind as you plan and organize your day-to-day tasks. This integration is a simple yet effective way to keep all your tasks visible in Google Calendar, allowing you to manage your schedule more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. I hope this guide was helpful in improving the way you manage your tasks and time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more productivity tips.